Modifying a symbol library is the next topic. If you're using the symbols out of the box, all the text height is set for 1/8 inch. When they originally came out with the symbols, they would go to a D size sheet of paper, even though you plot it to a B size. 1/8 inch text works great. So all the symbols, 1/8 inch text out of the box. We often get asked the question, well, I got a customer request, and I'm just going to pick a copied version of the NFPA library here. You know, that they use different text heights. They use a different scale. You know, they might use, instead of a D size setup, a B size setup. You can take a whole library and change, you know, the scale, the default attribute text height, the component tag, text height, child, terminal numbers, everything in here, as you can see. So as an example, I took the NFPA library, and if you're going to do this, what you want to do, hold on a minute here, let me find it. So your NFPA library out of the box has, you know, 17,000 items in here, drawing files. Copy the NFPA first and then convert the copied version. Also, you're going to want to do it before you go home at night or before you break for lunch, because it literally has to open up every single block and make the changes, saves it, close it. So it's a long process. So what I did right now is, if I insert a symbol, what I did, just so you know, where is it here? Oh, right here. I copied the library, deleted everything except 2 symbols. And I converted, I believe, yeah. So as you can see here, the text height, default text height for any attribute on here is 1/8 inch. I converted the library, whereas the pin numbers are smaller. Maybe I want my terminal/pin number smaller on all my symbols. The main point is you could take any library and make modifications to it from a text height perspective. That's what it's mainly all about. Or scaling it completely. You take a whole library and, like I said, scale every symbol by half if you're using a B-size setup.